In this video, we want to show you how you can use your phone, your mobile phone, as a microphone on your PC. So watch this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is the process which you have to go through if you want to use your phone as a microphone. You go to your Google Chrome, you search for Warm Microphone for PC, Warm Mic for PC. Go to that. You go to that first website, Warm Mic. You're going to download Warm Microphone. Once you reach on this page, you download Warm Microphone for free. As you clearly see, we are downloading Warm Microphone and it is now downloaded. So you install the Warm Microphone. You install it, run it as an administrator and install the software. You install. It is now installing. It is installing. It is installing. Then don't disable that option of reboot. Go to the second option and no. You made a mistake. You were not supposed to reboot. So, but anyway, it's fine. Don't go there. Don't go there. You run it from here, from the desktop. You open it from the desktop. It is here. Okay. Yes, you open it from the desktop there. Now we have our Warm Microphone. We have it there. So now we are going to configure our phone. Go to our phone. This is our phone. Head on to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. I want you to download Warm Microphone. So you make sure that you have the same software as on the mobile phone. You download the Warm Mic from Play Store. You also download it on your PC. It is that one, the second one. You install. So we are now installing Warm Mic on our Android device. You open it. Now this is what you do. You make sure that your laptop is connected on the same Wi-Fi network with your mobile device. Remember, we want to use our mobile device, our phone, as a microphone. So you make sure that you connect these two devices. You connect them on the same Wi-Fi network. You tap on start, on that button of start. No. First go back. This one. Now you do this. Stop. Tap on start. Yes. Allow the microphone while you're using the app. Allow. So it is now waiting for connection. You tap on these two arrows on your top right. Two arrows. So you see our IP address. That's our IP address. So we are going to use the same IP address. We have to make sure that we have the same IP addresses when connecting. So we have configured our mobile phone, which is going to work as a microphone. So let us go now on our PC and we also configure it. Tap on connection tab. Go connect. Go to connect. Then you make sure that IP address, it is the same exact IP address as the one which is here. They have to be the same. Is it the same? Are they are not the same. Like here we have 192. You put it there 192. We have 192, 168, and 168. We have 40. You delete the last two portions. Delete the last two portions. That's 40. Then the last one is 232. 232. 232. 232. You wait. Now you see that's our IP address. You make sure that all the IP addresses are the same. You see, this is our IP address on the phone. It is 192.168.40.232. You make sure that the IP addresses are the same, because we are going to get connected using the IP addresses. Once you confirm that the IP addresses are the same, you just tap on connect. It is now connected. So now we can use our mobile device, our phone, as a microphone. So we can use this phone as a microphone. So I want us to record a sample video. So open your Bandicam. Open your screen recorder. So we are going to record a sample video, a screen recorded video. Bandicam, I want you to set it up. There. Sound, and you add a speaker. Go to advanced. So you set up your Bandicam, add a microphone, then you select one mic, yeah, then that's fine. So if we start recording a video here, then we shall be using our phone as a microphone, since it is configured very well and it is connected. So this phone is connected to the PC as a microphone. You try recording a sample video. Okay, now this is a sample video. So I want my colleague Mike to say something to you.
Yes, we are going to show you how we can do what? How we can record using our phone, how we can connect a phone to a laptop, but when we are using our phone as a microphone.
Yeah, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe on our channel to get more updates and videos so that you can add on the knowledge. Thank you.
So that was the process which we go through in case you want to connect your phone as a microphone on the PC. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are still here on our channel, make sure you subscribe now, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We are going to keep uploading more videos, more content, more tech related content. Subscribe now. Subscribe.